Hi, I'm Austin, an SDR manager here. I'm going to show you how to edit your profile information within GoProfiles. Here, as you navigate to the My Profile section, you will see your profile, as well as some edit buttons across the page that show you the details that you're able to edit. Here at the top, I can click into this and edit location of where I'm currently located. As I continue to move down, next to my name, I can go into, and you'll notice a banner at the top that shows that some of this information has already been set by your company, as we're able to sync with your HRIS software to make some of these details already inputted. Here I'm able to edit my job title if that changes throughout my time there. In the next portion, I'm able to click into these details, edit my phone number, my birthday, the department that I'm in, as well as add a LinkedIn profile, a GitHub profile, a Twitter username, or a personal website URL. Next, I'm able to edit this bio portion by adding a quick intro, adding some pronouns, a favorite movie, favorite hobby, go-to snack, as well as a go-to song. As I continue to navigate down the screen, you'll see some skills and interests that you're also able to edit. These are fully customizable, and you can add custom skills, or some will pop up, as well as interests. Last but not least, you're also able to edit the languages that you are able to speak fluently. Editing your profile information is super important, as it allows you to connect with other employees within your org that have similar interests and shared values. Thanks for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions.